Alright, CSGO Quick Tips, Episode 1, Jungle Connector Smoke. To do this, you got to jump up the stairs from spawn, come over here, line up with the second pillar, the middle pillar, I guess you could call it. Line up with the crack, line up with the edge of the wall, go above it, throw it, and it's gonna dunk it down right there, smoking off both jungle and connector. It's you can see a little bit connector there. I mean, when you're taking sight, you're not gonna have to worry about the guy connector. If you come around here, then you can worry about picks coming and getting a pick there. But yeah, so that is my first CS:GO quick tip. Thank you for watching.